Most of you guys won't know why I'm making a video on this, but this is my new GoPro Hero 10, which I'm going to be using for YouTube and like other clips. I'm really excited and I'm going to make this an unboxing video, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright, that last video was in the morning. I had to go to work, so I couldn't unbox it then, but I'm here to unbox it now. Yeah, let's get into it. Oh, no way. Damn. I'm so keen for this. Yeah, I got the accessories bundle. It comes with like a 32 gigabyte SD card, a tripod, extra battery, a camera case, another swivel like clip mount. You save a bit more money instead of buying them all separate, and GoPro are actually doing a deal right now. If you buy a year subscription, you get the camera cheaper, which is kind of what dragged me to buying it. Otherwise it would have been like nearly $1,000. So I saved around like 290 bucks, which is hell good. But yeah, let's unwrap it. All right, so yeah, guess we'll just get into it. Oh, no way. Yeah, so it came with an extra SD card, 32 gigs. I already have a 64 gig one, but that's actually really handy. And it also comes with a micro SD adapter for my laptop. Wow, that is so sick. That is awesome. I want to like break this. Oh. Well, that's too late. I kind of just gripped it, but I don't really need this covering. Hey? I had to tear it at the bottom. I didn't even see. That was satisfying. Oh, that is so cool. I don't need that either. Alright, open it up for the first time. Oh, look at all that. That is so sick. I'm actually really glad I got the accessories one, because that also looks so clean. I'm gonna play around with this and let you guys know what I'm gonna do next. I've kind of set up what I got with the pack. So yeah, I got 2 batteries, the SD cards, I got some stickers, which is pretty sick. I got a little tripod, the camera itself, that's the charger. This is like a really cool magnetic clip that clips to something. There's the magnet, and then you can also stick it on stuff like that. And the top actually swivels, which is really cool. So you can like turn the camera to whatever way you want. And that's obviously what clips onto that and that. And that's what you mount in there. And there's the case. So if you're wondering why I made a video on it, it's because I'm actually using it to vlog and I'm using it for YouTube, because my phone is just not good and I hate walking around filming on a phone. And that's why I bought that. So without further ado, let's switch over to the GoPro. Say hello to the new camera. Also, first off, the quality is pretty shit in here because I'm in my bedroom and the lighting is terrible. I'll take it out in the daytime soon and get a lot of sick clips, because I cannot wait to try this out. And I'm gonna get a bunch of different type of clips, like underwater, flipping, filming cars, and doing a bunch of other stuff. I wanna see what this baby's capable of. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of my new GoPro Hero 10. I can't wait to make all these new videos with it, and my YouTube videos will be hopefully a lot better. It was just getting too hard to do it on my phone, and I didn't want to have to film and not be able to use my phone, you know? So that would be good. About the audio, it may sound pretty bad because it's just coming straight out of the GoPro, but there is a media mod they have that you can buy, or you can buy like a mic to add on to it. Once I edit this video, I will see how bad the audio is. If it's not too bad, I'll just keep it like this, but if it's pretty bad, then I may have to buy a mic because I don't want to have shit audio and I don't want you guys to have to listen to it. So thanks for watching me unbox it, and let's get in to some awesome GoPro clips.